Hey everybody, it's Riley's Productions here, doing a little update on my track day prep video. I'm heading down to Rosamond, California for the Spring Fling Speed Festival on Thursday, April 12th. Just got everything ready on the Cuda. Changed out all the fluids on the oil's changed out, filters cleaned up. Bled my brakes, all the brakes are good pressure, fresh fluid in the lines. Checked all the connections, all my coolants topped off, it's all good. Test drove the car today, ran fine. So it's a fresh start for this season of track days. Let's see, I'll show you a quick shot of the engine. Here's the, oh, I also cleaned out the air filter. That's an air raid filter, it's not a K&N, it's a K&N knockoff, but works just the same. Washed that out and re-oiled it. Brake fluid's fresh. Even changed out my oil catch can, so everything's good. Runs good. Like I said, everything's all freshened up, so hopefully it'll be a good time at the track when I get there. Oh, this is a small 360 camera that I picked up. It's a Insta360 I set it up behind my my driver's side seat. I'm gonna post up the test video of the 360 footage I got earlier. I hooked it up with this my KW hose clamp mount. This is a 1/4-20 all thread I picked up from Home Depot. We got great footage, but the camera has an internal mic and there's no option for external mic, so the sound quality is kind of ruined because it sounds like just wind noise and all garbled. The footage was awesome, but when you watch the 360 test video I'm gonna put up later, it just ruined the video because you can't hear anything but just wind noise and garble. So I'm gonna mount the camera behind my rear view mirror near the top of the windshield. Hopefully that'll mitigate any wind noise or dampen it, so that way you can hear at least the engine and still get a good 360 picture. It'll look cool mounted there, and it'll still give a good 360 view of the track day. That'll be awesome to see all the cars driving around. Let's see what else. Oh, I pumped up my tires to 40 psi. I also torqued down the lug nuts to 95 foot-pounds before I left for my test drive today, and then when I got back I checked them again and they did loosen up, so I retorqued them to 95 foot-pounds. So that's what I typically do. I drive the car around just on a quick test drive just to see what else loosens up, and I found that the wheel lugs, once you take the wheels off and remount them, and when you torque them, do a little quick test drive, I find that they usually loosen up a little bit, so I retorque them again. And then when I get to the track, they stay put at 95 foot-pounds or whatever foot-pounds they need to be. So I just constantly check my lug nuts. That wire is like the battery charger. My battery's in the back, so I bring the battery charger as well to keep my battery topped off. There's my spoiler. I need to bolt that on come Wednesday morning when I head out for the track. But yeah, I try to get things done early. The track day isn't until Thursday. There is a Wednesday afternoon barbecue. So I'm gonna leave Wednesday morning, but right now it's technically Monday morning. It's not a couple of days till I have to leave, but I try to get things done early, just because if there's any issues that come up, I have time to deal with them. Anything that can happen will happen. Murphy's Law, so you want to have time and plan ahead, and deal with issues that bring themselves up. I'll show you some of the tools that I bring. There's my torque wrench. There's my little ratchet set. That's a little box I bring. There's my Rain-X paper towels, gloves, earplugs, and wrenches. My little socket set. Blue tape comes in handy. Some zip ties. Zip ties are in there. There's some waters I bring. There's my fluids, oil, and coolant. So everything's good to go. But yeah, it's a little preview of what I do for the car. Hopefully it'll be a good track day event. Real fun time. Hope you guys can make it over there. Check us out on Instagram at Rallis Pro. Here's our website at rallispro.com. See you guys later. Thanks. Bye.